Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about one small information regarding the carrying hard copy of driving license, RC and insurance is not mandatory now. So we can store this document in M-Parivahan mobile app. If needed, they can be presented before authorities. So this is a small information that I can give you, like you don't need to carry all the documents, driving license, RC, insurance, etc. All these documents can be incorporated or uploaded in the M-Parivahan mobile app, and this can be presented before the authorities if needed. So let's go to the more details about this one. So according to the notification issued by the central government based on the amendment in the Vehicle Act 1989, it is no longer necessary to carry a book of driving license or RC in hand. Instead, you can store this document in the M-Parivahan mobile app. If needed, they can be presented before the authorities. It is acceptable, certified and inconvenient for 100% of users. So simple step-by-step process to add your driving license in M-Parivahan mobile app. So now we can discuss these steps. So first of all, download the M-Parivahan app from Google Play Store and sign up using your mobile number. You will get an OTP. Enter and register on the app. Third step is now you have two options. DL is driving license and RC registration certificate. And please step 4 is enter your driving license number. And step 5 is to generate a virtual DL. Click on add to my dashboard and then enter the date of birth of your DL will be added to your dashboard. So once you have entered your date of birth and your driving license will be added to your dashboard. So next thing is that how to use the app. Click on the dashboard button to view your virtual driving license at the top of the screen. Once you click on it, your DL details and QR code will be appear. This code is used by the authorities to scan and retrieve all the required information of the document. We can also add RC book details of your vehicle in the app, and also we can add multiple vehicles used by individual. For example, a husband driving a vehicle registered by his wife also can add vehicle details on his app. Similarly, driving license details can be added in multiple mobile numbers. So this way we can use the app also. So this is very useful. So we don't need to carry all the documents in hand. We can store it over here, and if needed we can produce it to the authorities. This is a very small information that I want to give you all. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.